We have a color AMOLED display of 0.95 inches and the band is powered by a 135 mAh battery. MI Fit is integrated with various workout modes including running, treadmill, cycling, etc. It is also equipped with a heartbeat sensor and a sleep tracker. The band can be connected to mobile via Bluetooth, which enables features like notification, weather broadcast, and additionally, the new Band 4 also have the functions like call rejection and music control. As you can see, the band also comes with 3 preloaded faces. For more tech updates, like, share and subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon.